welcome to my YouTube channel. Our detailed review of the 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, a stunning revival of a legendary nameplate. This luxury coupe brings together classic elegance and modern innovation, creating a vehicle that turns heads and delivers an exceptional driving experience. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Coupe DeVille embodies Cadillac's signature design language with a bold yet refined presence. The front features a striking grille adorned with a sleek, illuminated Cadillac emblem, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that enhance both style and visibility. The sculpted hood and flowing body lines give the car a dynamic, aerodynamic profile, while their long, sweeping roofline exudes a timeless coupe silhouette. The flush door handles and frameless windows add a futuristic touch, while the 21-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels provide an aggressive stance. The rear end showcases vertical LED taillights inspired by classic Cadillac styling, integrated seamlessly into a sculpted trunk lid with a subtle lip spoiler. Dual chrome exhaust tips complete the elegant yet sporty look, reinforcing its premium nature. Inside, the 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, genuine wood, and aluminium trim, delivering a first-class experience. The driver-focused cockpit features a 33-inch curved OLED display that combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into a seamless interface. Cadillac's latest infotainment software includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced voice recognition system. The 19-speaker AKG premium sound system ensures a concert-like audio experience, while ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the cabin's luxurious atmosphere. The front seats are power adjustable, heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions, offering supreme comfort for long drives. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and high-end amenities like climate control and USB-C charging ports, making this coupe a true grand tourer. Under the hood, the 2025 Coupe DeVille offers an exhilarating performance with multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 400 horsepower and 415 pounds-to-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive shifts. For those craving more power, Cadillac offers a 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 with 550 horsepower, delivering breathtaking acceleration. Both engines come with rear-wheel drive as standard, with an all-wheel drive option available for enhanced traction. The magnetic ride control 4.0 adaptive suspension ensures a refined ride, adjusting in real time to road conditions for superior comfort and handling. The car's precise steering and advanced chassis tuning make it a joy to drive, whether cruising on the highway or carving through winding roads. A hybrid-assisted version may also be introduced, combining performance with improved efficiency. As for pricing, the base model starts at approximately $75,000, offering an impressive array of luxury and technology features. The high-performance V8 variant starts around $95,000, catering to enthusiasts who seek both power and prestige. With optional packages such as a panoramic sunroof, upgraded interior materials, and advanced driver assistance features, the price can easily surpass $110,000 for a fully loaded model. Despite its premium positioning, the Coupe DeVille delivers exceptional value, blending iconic Cadillac luxury with cutting-edge advancements. In conclusion, the 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille revives a legendary name with the perfect mix of style, luxury, and performance. Its breathtaking exterior, opulent interior, and powerful engine options make it a standout in the luxury coupe segment. Whether you're looking for a grand touring experience or a statement of automotive excellence, the Coupe DeVille delivers in every aspect. What are your thoughts on this stunning new Cadillac? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car review.